how to access Google Photos from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can access Google Photos from other devices. Now, Google Photos can be accessed from other devices because your Google accounts can be accessed with other devices. So as long as your Google account can be accessed by other devices, your Google Photos can also be accessed by other devices, because it is on your Google account that you upload your photos, videos, etc. So what's the first thing to do in this case? The first thing to do is to go to your Google Chrome, that is on the other device where you want to access your Google Photos. And then the Google Chrome, just first of all, if it's a phone, change it to desktop site and then type photos google.com. Okay, once you type that out, it will load and then you'll be taken to a page showing you Google Photos sign in etc. You just click on sign in this way, and then once you click on sign in, you'll be taken to the Google Photos signing in page. Okay, so yeah, you can create an album if you want to, all of that. And then by the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. Okay, click on it to confirm if this is the profile icon. This is the email you are using for your Google Photo. So if it is the one, just exit this and then go to the left side of the screen, and then you will see menu. You see your photos, explore, sharing, as well as favorite, album. Just click on albums here, and then utilities, then locked folder, etc. So this is how you can access your Google Photos using other device. Just sign in this way, and that is all. You'll be able to access your Google Photos. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.